So I make this when I'm missing the Japanese restaurants of my city living days, and also I need something that my son will eat because he loves ground meat. Like, it's much easier for him. And so put those two together and you have hamburger pretzel tonkatsu. And I love that Japanese dish tonkatsu, which is a pounded pork chop or pork loin that's breaded in this like really great panko breading. It's super crispy. It's quintessential Japanese kind of fast food. And when I lived in New York, I would often get it from this takeout joint that was in Brooklyn. So this dish, which is a corruption of tonkatsu, it's with hamburger. It basically just screams, I live 200 miles from a Japanese restaurant. Whenever I'm handling ground beef, I feel like I'm just this Midwestern, the cook of my Midwestern childhood. Every house that I would go into, the mom was always frying ground beef, browning it in a pan, and my mom too. So that smell of like ground beef with like salt and pepper and nothing much else, fried in a cast iron pan, just epitomizes my entire Midwestern childhood.